So in this video, I'm going to tell you how to use Please Donate in Roblox. So guys, this game is made for the donation. So basically, the user will donate you by purchasing some items on your stand. So first of all, hold this E button to list your items. The item will be listed here. So this item includes all the clothes you have made, all the game passes, but the clothes cost you some Robux. So if you want to make your stand free, then you can list your game passes. And to make game passes, guys, it is free of cost if you want to make a game pass. And you can see that I have lots of game passes on my stand. So if you want to make a game passes, then guys, I'll guide you later in this video. But before that, let me tell you one thing that so whenever someone purchases your game passes, you will get 70% out of it. So like if someone purchases 100 cost of game pass, then you will get 70 per Robux out of the 100 Robux. So that's how it works, guys. And go to roblox.com. So whether you're using a mobile or a PC, you just need to, if you're using an Android or iPhone, you have to enable the desktop mode on your phone. And once enable, just click on create. It will take you to the dashboard creation. So once you're here, guys, you have to click on the default, the experience. So I'm going to click on it. And once you're here, you have to click on associate icon. Now you have to click on passes. So if you are on the phone, you have to click on menu to open this list. Now click on create pass and enter the name of the pass. So uh, I'm gonna name it as demo 4. And now you just need to click on create pass option. Now, once you created, guys, you have to click on the newly created game pass and click on save. So you have to click on menu if you are using a mobile to open this list and just click on sales. Enable the item for sale. Enter the cost here. So I'm going to need enter 2 Robux. So it will be visible. And now just click on save changes. So let's unclaim this first and make a new game pass. Now once you make a game pass, just hold this E button again to list your game passes, and you can see that demo 4 has been listed again here and listed here that we have created earlier. So that's how you can make your game pass and just list your game pass at a donation button and please donate. So that's how it works. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Bye.